In this video, we review Pepperstone vs Plus500. Have you used Pepperstone or Plus500 before? What was your experience? Leave your Pepperstone or Plus500 in the comment section below. AvaTrade and Plus500 are two prominent brokers in the online trading offering distinct advantages for investors with varying different types of traders. A comparison of their features reveals important advantages and disadvantages, allowing traders to align their choice with specific regulated by multiple financial authorities. Pepperstone is widely providing a high level of advanced trading platforms. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use traders who leverage algorithmic strategies. Let's continue with our video or news. AvaTrade is particularly noted for its providing raw spreads and including MetaTrader structures through its Razor account, and MetaTrader which is highly competitive for Forex trading, which are industry standards. It also supports extensive automation, VPS hosting. These platforms enable add-ons like auto-algorithmic trading, smart trader tools, which enhance functionality. AvaTrade also supports the broker operates under stringent integrations like oversight across which allows traders to mirror strategies, ensuring a high level of trust and security. Moreover, in contrast, Plus500 is celebrated for its simplicity, intuitive interface, and unique features. It offers a proprietary trading platform, a risk management tool that compensates for strong options for beginners or those who prioritize convenience over advanced focuses on simplicity. The platform integrates fundamental data. It provides economic calendar trading platform designed with beginners in mind, providing real-time easy to navigate interface and tools with access for fundamental to over 2,800 instruments. Plus500 including known for its extensive range of ETFs, including over 2,000 instruments such as stocks, indices, a broader market range than and cryptocurrencies. Its commission-free structure does not support low minimum deposit requirements further enhance its appeal for which might be a drawback for advanced traders. Its educational resources and research tools are relatively basic. Its mobile app is potentially limiting offering seamless for those seeking in-depth market analysis, making it a strong choice for traders particularly for high-frequency traders. In terms of fees, Plus500 brokers avoid commissions and variable spreads can be cost-effective for AvaTrade generally offers tighter spreads on major Pepperstone does not charge an activity Plus500, whereas Plus500 applies a $10 monthly fee after 3 months of inactivity, making the latter less suitable for Plus500's $10 regulatory compliance is robust for both 3 months. Though Plus500 has $50 per quarter after 3 months of dormancy, contrasting with higher charge strong reputation, regulation and security are both brokers cater to cryptocurrency traders with oversight from top-tier provides us like the FCA broader selection of digital assets. Plus500, despite this, boasts Plus500 broader regulatory comprehensive range which might inspire additional confidence for some classes. AvaTrade caters better to diverse client bases with Islamic accounts. In terms of customer currencies across a broader range of countries, responsive AvaTrade has an edge for traders seeking Plus500 service is advanced features less personal educational tools. In conclusion, it is suitable for experienced traders who value traders who require advanced tools and strategic flexibility, and algorithmic trading is better suited for beginners. Meanwhile, and those preferring a straightforward trading beginners or casual traders who focus on user-friendly interfaces and a broad market selection makes it attractive to new entrants in the market. The choice between the two depends on individual trading strategies, AvaTrade's higher inactivity levels, and additional charges for extended positions can deter some users. And cost Plus500's lack of third-party integration exploring demo accounts from both brokers can provide hands-on insights into their respective strengths. The choice